This is the first video of the final section, section 7 on wrapping it up. In this video we're quickly going to recap what we've achieved so far and go over some basic reading materials to get even better at Angular development. Alright, now that we've basically completed the course, we can take a look back with pride and see what we've accomplished. The first thing we did was set up our initial development environment, starting with Karma and JS Hint integration using Gulp. Afterwards, we served our application using browser sync to make developing locally a lot easier. And last but not least, we added Sass compilation to make authoring our CSS a breeze. Next up was implementing the basic services that would serve as the backbone of our application. We added a service for storage, for generating an arena matchup, and also wrote logic to determine a winner. Lastly, we added some directives to make representing our terrain and animal information. We then deployed all that AngularJS goodness to Heroku to run our application in a production environment. Other people are now able to use our app. Sweet. If you want to learn more about testing and expand it a little further, you can do so by including end-to-end testing as well using the protractor tool. This allows you to not only test the core logic of your application, but the entire application flow, just like you would test it yourself in a browser. The AngularJS docs are a good place to start if you have any doubt about some functionality in AngularJS. And if you want a faster way to browse the docs, you can always use devdocs.io/Angular. And for more concrete courses on Angular, you can go to Egghead or Thinkster, or obviously Unpacked as well. Those are some great resources for learning more about AngularJS. And lastly, AngularJS's community is friendly and huge. If you need any help with anything, you'll be sure to find an answer either on Stack Overflow or in the AngularJS IRC channel on the Freenode server. In the next video, we'll talk about some future steps you can take to make this application even better, along with some basic troubleshooting tips.